Hi guys, how you doing? Doing good? That's nice. I'm Late Adopter, this is my channel. Here we do technical analysis on certain crypto assets and we watch the chart go up and down basically. And everything around that. Now we're gonna look at the Bitcoin and we're gonna see what's happening. Especially we're gonna look at CME futures chart because today on the CME futures chart we got the second gap in a very short period of time and everybody feels it has to close down. So the movement has to be downwards, and I've been saying in my previous videos that we are expecting a move down, but mostly because of the airside divergence that we have on the daily, not because of the CME futures gap. But the CME futures gap have to be closed. They don't have to be closed, but they have been closed so far, and so we expect them to still close. You know, keep the tradition going. So let's see where we at now, because right now every chart looks really bullish. Like a lot of resistances have been broken, moving averages have been broken, and now it looks like we are really bullish and going upwards. But we still got the RSI divergence and we got the two CME futures gaps. So let's see what's happening. First of all, let's see the moving averages on the CME future. This is daily. The red line is the 20 moving average and the yellow line is the 50 moving average. Now as you can see, we are already above the 20 moving average and we closed on the Friday below the 50 moving average, but now on the Monday after the gap we are above the 50 moving average, and this is really bullish. But it's not over yet. It has to close above the 50 moving average. So as long as it doesn't close above it and it closes below it down here, if it closes down here, I believe we're still going down and I'm still gonna be bearish. But if it closes above the 50 moving average in this area here, then I have to change my mind, I think, and I say okay, we are bullish now. But like I said, we have to wait for the candle to close to actually say where we're going, because it really doesn't matter what a candle does during the day. It's where it closes that actually matters. So we are waiting for the close tomorrow and see. But I'm just saying, if it closes above the 50, I'm bullish. If it closes below, I'm gonna be bearish. And then you have to wait for the day 2 to see if you're gonna get like engulfing bearish candle if it closes above it, right? So let's say the CME futures gap, CME futures chart is closes here somewhere, right? But the next day you get the bullish engulfing candle that goes all the way here and closes here, then you are bearish again. So things can change pretty quick, so you have to just follow what's happening. But right now, today, we are not yet bullish. We are indecisive part of the movement, because nobody is quite sure what's gonna do. Now the second thing is, we got this really nice trending line here that's also been broken now on Monday, and as long as it closes above the trending line and closes above the 50 moving average, be bullish. But if it closes below the trending line and below 50, we are bearish. So if it goes below 50 line, also the CME futures gap is closed, and then that means that this futures gap is done, right? But we still got this CME futures gap over here, and that means that we have to go all the way down to 9.6 to close this second futures gap. And to correct the CME, the RSI daily RSI daily divergence, we have to go even further down. I believe we have to go somewhere like 8 or 9 or something like that. I mean, we have to go like anything below 9 is gonna be fine, I think. But we have to go pretty far down, I think, to correct it. So what's gonna happen, not quite sure. Right now nobody knows what's happening. If you're looking at other charts, like chart of Binance or BitMEX or Coinbase or Bitfinex or whatever else, all the resistances, not all the resistances, but a lot of resistances have been broken, and we are moving upwards. So what's gonna happen there? People are really bullish, and you know, when mainstream is bullish, then charts tend to go the other direction, so I might be right on this one and say that we're gonna go down to correct it, but nobody knows. So keep on watching this channel, subscribe to the channel if you want to see next video, get notification for that, like it if you like the video, and yeah, keep having fun, don't lose your money.